trailer project. It obviously has been quite a while. We did get some nice weather and it's still a little chilly, obviously. But we were able to get all of the walls screwed in, put up, and then the biggest one was getting the ceiling. So we got the ceiling. It was a little hard because we had to obviously make holes for the wiring and then cut a place for the fan. And then one of the other places that we've heard was the nose of the trailer, and we were able to do that pretty successfully. And a little bit of elbow grease, a lot of smack talking to my husband and vice versa. But now we're on to the floor, so we're getting there. Talk to you soon. We're back, and we have just finished putting in the foam insulation on the floor. We read and watched a lot of stuff on YouTube as far as putting this insulation underneath the trailer on the outside, and I'm sure a lot of people do that with just because of the height space, but both Kelly and I are rather short, so it shouldn't be a big deal. So what we used was, this stuff is called Foamular 150, and it has a rate of 150 pounds. And so it should be pretty good. And then what we did is we glued it down using this Loctite PL300 foam board construction adhesive, and it actually worked out really well. It was pretty sticky. It sticked on really quickly. A couple of things to remember is to make sure that you notch out where you need to. And then what we did is we closed the door and then closed the back latch to make sure that we had enough space so that we could cut it properly. Other than that, this stuff was actually really nice to use. So pretty easy to cut, and we've been watching Cobra Kai. So it's been really fun. We've been going, ha-cha! And so now we're on to getting ready to put on the floor, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.